My Natural Family. Today I'm going to show you how to make a paleo mac and cheese. What makes it paleo is that we're subbing out cauliflower for the noodles, and for the cheese sauce we're going to make a vegetable puree mixed with coconut milk, and it is delicious. Lots of my kids love it. Start by making cauliflower using your preferred method. My preferred method is an Instant Pot. While your cauliflower is cooking, you want to get the sauce started. I'm going to show you how to do that now. This is my daughter Megan. She's going to be my assistant today. You start by melting some butter in a pot, and then you add onions, carrots, and summer squash to the pot. Just dump the whole thing in there. And then I'm going to add a little garlic, ground mustard, and salt. Now we're just going to let this simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes until the onions are translucent.
Next, you pour a can of coconut milk into the pot and let it simmer for 10 minutes.
Now I'm going to blend the ingredients until they're super duper smooth, and Megan's going to add an egg yolk in at the end. Next you put cauliflower in the sauce on a plate and dig in and enjoy.